Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'll tell you 5 reasons why you should consider buying Amazon Kindle. So let's get started. So one of the biggest reason, that is the first reason on this list, is that you don't have to carry all your bulky books when you are traveling. So whenever you go for traveling and you carry a lot of books, so I would recommend buying this Kindle instead, because you can have all your library practically in the weight of just a paper bag. You don't have to carry all those hefty books around. You can replace them with this Kindle and start reading it wherever you go. Moving on to the reason number 2. The reason number 2 is that you can start reading your books instantly. You don't have to wait for your books to be delivered at your doorstep. You just have to click on the Amazon store or from anywhere that you buy your book, and you can start reading it instantly. So there is no any lag between you ordering a book and then planning to read it. You just have to click it and you can start reading it on the go. Moving on to the reason number 3, it is that there is no eye strain on your eyes while reading on your Kindle. Unlike smartphone and mobile screen, the Kindle is made of e-ink, so there isn't any strain on your eyes when you are reading on your Kindle. It just feels like paper when you read on it. Also, it is noteworthy to mention that whenever you read in sunlight, the visibility is good just as a paperback, unlike the smartphones or tablets, which are reflective and make the reading experience dull in sunlight. So moving on to the reason number 4 is that you can read in dark as well using the Kindle. With built-in light in it, you can read whenever there is dark. So as I've already mentioned in previous point, you can read in bright sunlight as well as in dark also. So it is compatible with every need of yours whenever you want to read in sunlight outside sunbathing, or when you want to read inside your blanket in the dark. So moving on to the last reason, it is a combination of many reasons. Kindle is very easy to use. You can read it anywhere you want. It is very reliable and without any distraction. Unlike mobile phones, smartphones or tablets where you get a lot of notifications all the time, you don't get those here. Talking about some additional features, it has got built-in dictionary in it from which you can get all the meanings of words whenever you want by just tapping on the word that you want the meaning of. And there is also a great feature known as Worldly Wise, which helps you enhance your vocabulary. So all in all, this is a great buy for people who are a bit into books. I hope guys you like this one. Thanks for watching.